What if tomorrow heralds the onset of World War III? Imagine a world plunged into chaos, societies upended, and the very fabric of international cooperation torn asunder. What could possibly spark such a devastating conflict? And what might the world look like in its aftermath? The seeds of such a global conflict might already be sown, rooted deeply in geopolitical tensions. Nations vie for dwindling resources, from oil to fresh water, each essential, yet increasingly scarce. As populations grow and resources diminish, desperation could push countries into confrontations. Technological warfare, too, presents a chilling frontier for conflict. In an era where wars are not only fought on battlefields but also in cyber realms, a world war today could see the crippling of entire national infrastructures, financial systems, and military communications through digital means alone. Moreover, the specter of nuclear armament looms large. With more countries capable of wielding nuclear weapons, the risk of a catastrophic exchange becomes all too real. The mere threat of nuclear capability might provoke preemptive strikes, spiraling quickly into widespread warfare. But what of the world that emerges from the ashes of such a conflict? The aftermath of World War III could reshape the geopolitical landscape entirely. Nations might forge new alliances or fracture internally under the strain of reconstruction. Economies, having suffered immense disruption, would need to be rebuilt from the ground up, a process fraught with challenges and opportunities alike. Socially, the fabric of communities would be tested. The resilience of human spirit would be pitted against a backdrop of loss and recovery. New generations would grow up in a world markedly different from that of their ancestors, perhaps learning from the harsh lessons of a global conflict. In contemplating World War III, one confronts the potential causes: geopolitical tensions, resource scarcity, and technological warfare, and grapples with the possible devastation of its aftermath. As history teaches, the cost of war extends far beyond the battlefield, affecting lives across the globe for generations. One must then ask, in the shadow of such potential destruction, how might nations and individuals act today to avert this dark future? How do we steer our shared destiny away from conflict and towards cooperation and peace? Perhaps, in understanding the depth of potential loss, lies the key to preventing such a future. The choices of today are, indeed, the history of tomorrow.